Hey guys, so DYU just sent us their T1 pedal assist, torque sensor, and foldable e-bike. Time to unbox this baby.
Right now.
Also, if you guys notice, I'm not using any blades or scissors. These actually are peel off. You just flip it over and then peel the one underneath, and then if it gets a little stuck, you just how it's packed. Everything's boxed, styrofoamed up, wrapped up, zip tied up, nice and tidy, nice and secure, just how we like it. Looks like we got the pedals in here. It's like a charger. Well, we'll figure that out as we go. Little USB charging cord, a key, one key, tools, nice, instructor manual. This looks like the seat. This is the bike itself, and as you can see, it has a lot of supported cushioning and coverings. These you're gonna need some scissors or a blade for. It's all zip tied together. Okay guys, so I got all of the extra zip ties and tape and security cushioning off. Now what we're gonna do with this T1 is we're gonna start putting the components together and using the tools to put the actual bike pieces together. And then the fun part, we can test it out. Can't wait. So we got the wheel on. Now we're gonna, oh, also you have to lock this. So you just fold it upward and then slam that in to lock it into place. Now we're gonna put the handlebars on. So we're gonna unscrew the little screws to get the right size first. So as you can see here, I know it's all matte black. So, but if you take a closer look, you see grooves right down the middle to help you figure out where to mount that middle section in. So now we're gonna put this little piece back on. With its little screws, I'm just gonna set this in by hand before we actually screw it in. Okay, so we set the little screws in, and then we're gonna set it into place with our little handy dandy tool next to DYU for all that. Then here you could adjust the seat height. So we got the seat secured in. It is height adjustable. I'm short, I'm 5'5", so mine is on the shortest height, and then we're gonna lock it back into place. Let's unscrew this, loosen it up a little bit. Okay. So now I'm going to adjust the handlebar positioning. Mine a little lower. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna tighten these so they don't move. Okay, it's coming together nicely. We do have a couple pieces more to go, but All in all, it's only been about maybe 15, if that, 15 minutes putting everything together. It's very user friendly, which I really love, you know, because there's people out there that aren't too good with using the user manual, even though it's there. That's what it's there for. But everything is pretty much pretty easy to put together. So we're gonna put these pedals on and then a couple more things, and then we're ready to ride. Another quick mention, these pedals are specific to which side, and you will be able to tell because they label them left pedal and right pedal. Okay, so last pieces are the fenders, but they're optional and we're gonna opt out. Here, it does look more aesthetic. I mean, it's your preference, but we're gonna rock it without the fenders. So here we are given 2 keys, and they're actually the same key. It's just they give you an extra key just in case you lose one, but try not to lose any of them. This is the battery, and it's locked in place already. But if you need to take it out and charge it, there's a little keyhole right here. Turn it to the right, and battery comes out, which is really good for safety. So, you know, these days everyone's stealing everything out there. And this is what DYU also provides, obviously, the charger. There's 2 cords that they give with it. This is the practical one that will charge into your wall. And then it also comes with the universal one. But today we're going to use the original one. We're just going to charge it for a bit. The pedals are a mix of alloy and ABS plastic. And if you pull down this little lever right here, it folds for easier storage. And then if you just pull it down, boom, back in action. Okay, putting on the little accessories now. It comes with this little rubber right here on the side is where you could charge. There's a little tab. You could use the USB charger that they gave with it, and then you can charge it. Just like that. Boom. Okay, so there it is. There's a little button on the top. Just click, and look how bright that is. Turn it off just with a touch of a button. So right here, I really like how they put this U-shaped sturdy protector. So like if I bump into something or anything, you know, it doesn't mess with the 7-speed and all that, and it's really sturdy. I like that. They also use KMC brand chain, Shimano brakes, really fancy stuff. Really liking this bike. Also the frame, as you can see, it has a seamless, no welding spots design, so it's aesthetically pleasing. This one is the gray, and then it also comes in olive green. Let's talk about the weight of this bike. It's not heavy at all. It rounds up to 49 pounds, so it's pretty lightweight. And then we're gonna get into folding the bike. Folds, there's a red lever right here. Just gonna click that. And then let me, on this side, I'm gonna fold it. in. Make sure the kickstand is picked up, and then there we go. Also, a quick mention that I forgot to say, it does make it easier if you do have the pedals up. I forgot to do that, but yeah, as you can see, it still worked. I was wondering what this was earlier. It's a little rubber stopper, but obviously now that I folded the bike, you could see it lays on the floor, so it has a little stand right there. Amazing, I love that. So here we are with the folded bike. And for easier storage, I had trouble. I didn't show it to you guys didn't see it. But this, to latch it on and to prop the handlebars up, it was very difficult to latch on. I was even hammering it with my hand and everything. It did take, that is what slowed me down. And I watched another video just for this section on how to, maybe if I was doing it wrong, but it might just be me. But the guy in the video also had a little difficulty, and he left it unlatched, unfolded. You know, he just kept it like this. Storage wise, it's not going to be an issue. Look at how compact this is. So it won't give you any trouble storing it. It's just, the feature is it's foldable, so you could unfold it and then fold it back up and pop it right. But just this little area of the bike kind of slowed me down. Other than that, great bike. We're gonna test it out.